sinaulaan nyo ang alaala ng aking lolo. Teka, ako di pa ako tapos eh. Ayun naman.
With all due respect, sir,
Oh.
I understand the feelings, but this is a Q&A for everyone.
Okay,
And
so
we can-
my question has been answered, so let me finish.
We are giving everyone a chance because everyone paid.
Hey dude, listen to this.
Sir,
You're jumping around.
No.
No, listen to me.
We're gonna listen to you, but
Oh.
there's a space and time.
Jericho, huwag mo akong ganyan ha.
No, sir, because
Umupo ka, patapusin mo ako. 1 minute, I'm done. It's just sit down and shut up. Okay? Let
1 minute, sige.
Give
1
other
minute.
people the
1 minute.
chance.
Yes, okay. Anyway, hindi nyo naman ginawa nyo. Dahil kayo, gusto nyo kumita ng pera, gusto nyo sumikat, sinalaulan ninyo ang alaala ng isang pamilyang nagbuwis ng buhay. Ang lola ko, inubos yan. Kasama ng tita baby ko. Kasama ng unang asawa ng nanay ko. Pinaslaki yung mga yan dahil hirap na. Anyway, yun, tapos na ako. Mahiya kayo. Ngayon, eto sinachannel ko ngayon ang aking lolo sa pagsabi ko sa inyong ito. Punyeta kayo mga putang ina nyo, kupal kayo!
Thank you, sir.
I would rather have a country run like hell by Filipinos rather than a country run like heaven by Americans. Because no matter how bad the Filipino government might be, it can still be improved.
Okay. I know. It's okay. No offense taken. Let's not dismiss that. You know, emotions are emotions, feelings are feelings, and those are feelings, those are reactions. We respect that. It's just that we apologize because it's not, it's not a one topic thing, and we do not disregard feelings and everything. One of the most difficult things in portraying a character kasi is understanding the person. He and di ba, Ben, he wrote a very beautiful script, and when I was asked, would you like to play Manuel Quezon? Yung meaning nun came after the research and then while we were filming. It's very difficult, as we can see. Di ba, may reaction na ganun. But in trying to understand a man, number one, nobody's perfect. Number two, we are hoping for people to not cancel any character here because naka-highlight naman ang lahat ng ginawa ng tao. Naka-highlight naman lahat. Kaya nga may barya di ba? Dalawa yung side ng coin. Walang taong perpekto. Okay? And who's to say that this was the most difficult part for me? I was trying to wrap my head around this person, this character who has led, the country to independence, has done great things, but still is so flawed. And I do not judge the character, because if I had judged the character or the person, then I wouldn't do this film.
Exactly.
So that was the most difficult part. The fun part was, of course, prosthetics. The fun part was, of course, the accent and everything that we had to do to prepare. But to get inside the brain or the feeling of, or the process or the value system of this person. As you can see in the last part, diba? I am the Filipino people. I am the Philippines. Because he did. He built in his head, in his point of view, everything that he did was right. Because he thought that he was doing it for a great reason. Does that make him a bad man? No, you cannot judge one person. Ito yung lagi ko sinasabi. Compassion is a very important thing. In the eyes of the public, if there's something happening that's wrong, then that is, the difference, what is in between right and wrong is judgment. And what we're trying to exercise here is understanding the reasoning and the way people see things. And that's maybe, yun ang kailangan namin i-address ngayon para sabihin namin na open your eyes. This is what's happening. So yun lang. That for me is one of the most difficult parts.